The transmission range sensor, or TRS for short, is also known as a neutral safety switch or park neutral position switch. It detects the position of your vehicle's gear selector, such as park, reverse, neutral, or drive. It sends this information to your car's computer, the powertrain control module or engine control unit. This allows the vehicle to start safely, control automatic transmission shifting, and activate important safety features like reverse lights. If the TRS fails, it can cause serious issues. Your car might start in any gear instead of just park or neutral, shift erratically during driving, or trigger the check engine light on your dashboard. A failing transmission range sensor can cause several noticeable symptoms. Common issues include the engine starting in any gear position, which is a major safety concern. Difficulty starting the engine is another symptom, where the vehicle may require multiple attempts to turn over. Drivers may experience erratic or harsh shifting patterns, with the transmission changing gears unexpectedly. Reverse lights may fail to illuminate when shifting into reverse gear. The check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, indicating a problem. When scanned with an OBD2 scanner, error codes like P0705, indicating a TRS circuit malfunction, will appear. Diagnosing these issues early can prevent more significant transmission problems from developing. Yes, for many vehicles, especially sedans and SUVs from 2000 to 2025, replacing the TRS is a straightforward DIY job. Automotive experts estimate that 80 to 90% of these vehicles can have their TRS replaced without special tools. This video guide provides a general overview, but always consult your vehicle's repair manual for specific instructions. While newer vehicles are integrating sensorless technologies, DIY is still relevant for older models. The good news is you typically don't need special tools. A basic toolkit usually suffices. Screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips, pliers, socket set, usually 10mm, 15mm, a multimeter for testing continuity, optionally an OBD2 scanner to read error codes. Always shift to park, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Begin by locating the transmission range sensor on the side of the transmission. Next, disconnect the wiring harness by unplugging the electrical connector from the sensor. Remove the mounting bolts using a wrench, applying 10 to 15 foot-pounds of torque. Before removing the sensor, note and mark its position to ensure the new sensor is correctly aligned during installation. Align the new sensor in the correct position based on your markings. Secure the sensor with the mounting bolts, tightening to the manufacturer's specifications, usually 10 to 15 feet-pounds. Reconnect the wiring harness. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Always refer to your specific vehicle's manual for torque specs. After installing the TRS, begin testing by cycling through all gear positions while the key is in the ignition. Move the shifter from park through reverse, neutral, drive, and back to park. Check that the engine starts only when the shifter is in park or neutral positions. The TRS prevents starting in other gears for safety. Verify that the reverse lights activate only when in reverse gear. This confirms the TRS is correctly signaling gear position. Use a multimeter to test continuity across the sensor terminals in each gear position. Match your readings to the vehicle's wiring diagram to ensure proper electrical connections. If you have an OBD2 scanner, connect it to clear any stored error codes and perform a rescan. No new codes should appear, confirming the TRS replacement was successful. Throughout testing, the TRS must accurately communicate gear position to prevent safety hazards and ensure proper vehicle operation. Always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components to prevent shocks or shorts. Double-check the sensor alignment to avoid shifting problems in the transmission. Ensure proper cable routing to prevent shorts or damage to the wiring harness. If you're uncomfortable with any step, consult a professional mechanic to avoid errors. While DIY can save 50 to 70% compared to professional labor, incorrect installation can lead to further transmission damage. For complex systems, such as those in Tesla or some hybrids, professional help is highly recommended. Remember these safety tips to ensure safe and effective TRS replacement.